Dear friends of KSB, with the General Assembly coming in May, it is time to close the fiscal year 2019. 2019 was a very successful year for KSB. We grew our turnover and our order intake more than 6% in comparison to 2018. Our return on sales reached near to 5%, which is significantly higher than what we achieved the year before. We took the opportunity to structure our company with our strategy program Climb 21, which will be put into action from summer onwards. With this program, we will target those markets where we want to have the position number 1, 2, or 3 in the world. We grew our company, we invested more than 100 million euros into our sites worldwide. From Perth in Australia to Shanghai, to Frankenthal and Halle, to our plants GIW and Standard Alloys in the US. We invested into products on the pump side, on the valve side. We invested into qualification of our employees. A focus area was sustainability. We as KSB want to reduce our carbon footprint, increase the efficiency of the products that we sell, increase the qualification of our employees, and raise the diversification rate. With all of this, we will make the world a little bit better for our employees, for you, and for our company. I am proud and happy to be part of the KSB family.